let me switch it to, okay, this is Coinbase on the weekly. Let me switch it to monthly to give you a better perspective. So this is where I told y'all to get in. So please, I don't know everything, right? But I'm very conscious of what I put out there because I hate losing. I don't like to lose. I talk so much shit that I don't like to lose. So there are certain times that I lose, but before I put something out there, I make sure that the odds are in my favor to win. There's no guarantees, but so this is where Coinbase was. So when Coinbase came here, remember, you never know where the low is going to be because we are not insiders, right? We are not insiders. So you don't know where the low is going to be. So the market came down here, right? This is Coinbase, by the way, and we are looking at a monthly chart, right? So Coinbase opened here. It came down here to 228, went up. The peak is like 350, right? And then it dropped. Since then, it dropped. But my personal prediction, Coinbase is going to surpass 350, right? So we are here now. We came from here. We are here, but we are going past here. So this is what I envision is going to happen. Something like this, right? Something like this. Once we get here, this is resistance. Y'all picking up this free game? If you picking up this free game, give me a 1. Because I could have charged, this could have been a masterclass. I could have rented some mansion in Bali somewhere or Miami somewhere, you know, priced it at $997, right? Actually, price it at $4,900 and then promote it and say it's my birthday. So I'm giving y'all a discount. Birthday discount is $997. I'm only looking for 100 people. It's easy to get 100 people when you're putting out this quality information, practical, transformational information. That's $100,000. Easy, right? Okay. So when Coinbase gets here, you got to look at here, right? Got to look at here. Got to look at here. This is memory. This is memory, right? The market remembers memory. The market remembers pain. If you go to somebody's house and you get bit by the pit bull, right? If you go to somebody's crib at an address, 1234 Pine View Avenue, you went there 2 years ago and there was a big